Bash, bash, bash.
Okay. What is happening, family? Welcome to today's video and welcome to today's vlog, man. It is Monday, the 15th of May, I believe, man. Early doors. I've come here to clean the gaff up because we have a very special guest arriving today. As you can see from the thumbnail, we have the queen of jump rope herself. Lauren Jumps is in the building. Looking forward to catching up with her, man. She's a really good, positive human. And every time I've linked up with her and spoken to her, like, she just shows nothing but love for the RA brand and everything else around the jump rope community. So yeah, man, sit back as always and relax. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll take you along for the ride as always. All right, first point of call is to charge up the machinery. Got a little charging station going on here, man. Batteries, yeah, tripods, more cameras. Get this all set up, little microphone here. Get this stuff all set up and then we're ready to go, man. Shout out to my Croc gang. It's the first time I've ever copped me some Crocs, peeps. Just bought it for this place really, man. Trying to keep it nice and tidy and neat, don't bring no dirt in. Although I'm walking around in my trainers, but these are just for the indoor use. They're kind of nice, they're kind of comfortable. I've never been a fan of how they look, but I don't know, if you guys are ever interested in buying some Crocs, man, I'd recommend them. So comfy. Went for this one that has a bit of fur in it, man, just a bit more comfort. Sick.
The way they have been all season, which we can talk.
Game against Everton, but a great reaction.
All right, made it to the station, guys. She's arriving in about 5 minutes. Not often I'll make it on time anywhere, to be honest with you, so pleased about that. So got a few minutes until she arrives. I wanted to show you guys the new sort of samples that are coming out, man. So I'm just wearing a little sample hoodie right now. I'm gonna get some tees in as well. We're gonna switch up the way we sort of do apparel here at RA. I've been looking for just the most premium, comfy threads, and I'm gonna be moving towards a more relaxed, oversized look. So the hoodie I'm wearing today, just a blank hoodie, but super comfy, not too thick, but again, not too thin. Going forward, we're gonna move to customized print options. So what we're gonna do is on the website, we're gonna have more options for you guys, more designs, more quirky designs, more different styles, and just, yeah, give ourselves more opportunity to get more styles out there, if that makes sense. That's kind of exciting news. Other exciting news as well is just the launch of Nova, man. Like I talked about it in like kind of bits and pieces throughout my tutorials and stuff, but the launch was absolutely insane, people, man. Like the love and support that came and poured in from around the world, I can't describe it, man. It's just phenomenal to see how well that rope has done and how many people have been sharing so much good feedback about it, how it's just given their workouts and their jump rope game just a new dimension and level, and that's exactly what we made it for, man. So big up to you if you supported that launch, and if you haven't, beg you go check it out, man. Trust me, I've already said it, but I think it's the best rope I've ever created, ever. Trust me.
Well, you know when you come off the platform and you go up the stairs,
yeah,
we should have gone left. So how? But it said the way out was.
Hey, finding Croydon.
Seen it all now.
How are you? Long time. Good to see you. How you doing, bro?
How you doing, mate? I'm Ellis.
Nice to meet you, Rush.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. Vlogging on vlogs, yeah?
Yeah, little vlogception.
Shout out to Ellis here.
Shout out to Rush.
Yeah. Come through. You wanna drive? You can drive me if you want. No, just... Oh, you're welcome, man. I'm supposed to get my car cleaned. This girl tells me she's gonna come in like 20 minutes. Sick timing. I was early for one.
Yeah, but you could have had your car cleaned by the time we'd walked around.
No, this is our little shop. It's kind of warm in here, to be fair.
So good.
Yeah, it is warm.
You smashed the look of everything.
Yeah, it's like amazing.
We just didn't want to mess around. You know, if I did it once, I'm not doing it again.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that. It changed a lot from what it was supposed to look like, put it that way.
This is class. This is so cool.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So good.
This is kind of like where we just do all our, this is the main sort of design room. What's the plan? Podcast?
Yeah, should we start with that?
I've got a good tutorial you can show us.
Oh
today.
yeah.
It's
What's
that it's that move that you do. I don't know.
I've got
is
an
it
idea
Texan?
for something. I don't.
Is it some sort of Texan thing?
Yeah, the Texan, the one where where it goes.
I think a lot of
over.
people would like to see that.
I want to go.
And I think I'll be shit at it as well,
I think
which is good.
You're not gonna like what I want you to do.
Not another release, please.
Toads.
Wait, what's that one? Is that the one where you have to bend down? Oh no. Yeah, that would be funny.
Because I'm putting that on my app soon, so I thought it'd be quite a good one to actually demonstrate.
I'm gonna look so bad doing that.
No, I can't eat whilst murder.
It's tradition. Promise you'll love it. You ever seen Matrix? Probably too young to remember
No, I
Matrix.
did. I remember watching the first one.
Yeah, so Neo gets nervous and then the old lady gives him a cookie and he feels better. So this is why I get these chocolates up. It'll make you feel better. RA chocolates, what do you reckon?
Good.
Good?
It hurts because I am trying my best to offer as much as I can to people to make this accessible.
Just finished the podcast. How'd it go?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's really good. It was really good. I mean, it was a bit deep at moments.
It's fine. It
I
was
feel
fun.
like afterwards, I'm like, oh, breathe. And it was quite long, so I feel like I've been chatting for ages, a bit tired of my own voice.
You're good though.
It was
You're
good.
though.
It was good. I feel like I've got a lot off my chest. All I am on YouTube, all I'm ever eating is unhealthy things.
It's good, man. Proves how good skipping is for you.
Yeah.
And whatever else
it's
you do.
true.
What's your favourite place in this joint? What's your favourite room, area, bit?
Podcast room. But mate, actually no. Oh, this one.
Meeting room? Do you feel like tranquil in there? Feel like creative?
Yeah, I do actually.
It's good,
Both
man.
of those rooms.
Come down and work from here sometimes.
Yeah, maybe I should. I could rent a room. You put fancy beats outside.
Yeah, why not? Going to record our tutorial on the Texan, right?
Yeah.
Right, going to show us how it looks?
Yeah, do you want me to do it with or without? I'll do it without footwork and I'll do it with the running man. But
Yeah.
I don't think you'll want to learn it with the running man, will you?
No.
But
I've been giving you the rest of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no.
There's two of you.
there is.
Just getting in. Mad.
Oh wait, cut's not right. Why's that doing that?
This is the live process, peeps, man. You've seen it for yourself. This is the grind. How was the tutorial?
That was good.
It was good.
Yeah.
I
I
was-
think you
I like this move.
picked up very quickly, but I think, as I said, you had the fundamentals of a 360, so it's just adding a little bit of spice to it, wasn't it?
You're a good teacher, man. Put it there.
I don't know who made up all these names anyway.
I'm guessing it's someone from Texas.
Yes.
You have to create one from London.
I know. People do create moves. I haven't really created any
Have you done one?
skills. I've done things that I haven't seen people do, like combine
course.
certain footwork with certain
Yeah.
arm skills. But I've not.
I've got a few moves in the bank.
Yeah.
That's because I'm a dinosaur and I've been doing it for too long. Nice. That's a good angle there. How's it looking, Alice? Good?
Hell yeah, man.
Enjoy your day here?
Fantastic, bro. I could stay here. Genuinely. I could live here. Never leave.
Beer?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Cheers. Here you go, bro.
Oh, thank you very much.
Copper bear for the young man.
Oh, yeah.
Can you just help me polish up my squat jump?
1
1,000
hour.
squat jumps later.
See ya.
Alright, let's go.
Rush, rush, rush.
Good meeting you, man. Peace, man. Alright, day done. Proper sick day today, people, man. Always good vibes and energy when Lauren jumps is in the house. We had a lot of fun. Said it last time, I'll say it again. Someone with that much exposure, attention, following, 1 million plus on like literally every platform. It is good to see like just how like grounded she is and how down to earth she is, how humble and just fun and cool and normal. Running out of adjectives, but no, she's just straight up very cool, and it's just nice to be around kind of energy like that, you know, where a lot of people in today's world, the moment they kind of get big or, you know, things start, you know, coming in their way, money, fame, whatever it is, attention, they will tend to change. But yeah, I love her vibe. I love the way that she's just kind of just the same person that I kind of remember her on social media in the early days as well. You could just imagine like nothing has changed. So trim. Time to get a trim, peeps. Here at my cousin's joint here, he's got a nice little setup. Come here every couple of weeks. Little short back and sides. What we get here? 0.5?
Skin fade.
Yeah, skin fade on the sides, and then on the top we don't cut, do we?
No, we don't.
We just can't bother it. We can't bother it. Maybe once every 6 months, maybe right now. 3-4 months.
Yeah.
It's a little hair update. Mad.
Looks like John Wick at the moment, doesn't it?
It's kind of smelly, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Sorry, man. Shout out to my cousin, Vince the barber.
What's going on, people?
Yeah. Okay, man. Looking wedge, bruv.
Yeah, I'm getting there slowly, but sure. I'm trying to keep up with you, man.
Nah, bruv, he's hitting the gym. It's good inspo, man. Good inspo, but
I'm trying to inspire you, man.
yeah, I need to hit the gym, man, properly, man. Let's get this trim done. That'll be another hour, and then we need to rush to Croydon to go pick up some t-shirts.
Look at the organ. You know what I think messed me up is a shot. Oh yeah.
Haven't also eaten anything, and this is becoming a bad habit, man. Like for the last, I want to say like year or 2 years, I just haven't put any time into sorting out any structure in the mornings for me, man. I wake up, I try and get back to any important messages, emails, put any fires out, and then before I know it, it's like 1 p.m. and haven't even put anything into my body. It's a really bad habit. Probably the first thing I ever do put into my body is coffee once I get to the HQ, but even then, it's just, I need to fix up, man, and it's really affecting just morning structure for me. So it's just affecting rest of the day and everything else. I sometimes have a coffee late at night, have something, you know, that gives me too much energy, and then I can't go sleep. And in the morning, I'm like straight up, back up and running again, like just no fuel. And I don't know, it's working, or it has worked somehow for me for the last God knows how long, but I think I need to fix up. Back at the HQ now, peeps. We've got the day's orders going out. Quite a lot of mats going out here right now. We've got a sale on workout mats. We've got our express deliveries. We've got our DPDs, European deliveries. Yeah, man, looking good. A few shout outs, peeps. In case you're watching, what we got? We've got Cameron Ahmed here. Ken Wong, UK crew. We've got Gretchen. Switzerland in the house. We've got Tino. Thank you so much for supporting, my bro. Madrid. We have Philippe from Spain. The grind is real, people. The team are working hard behind the scenes. Fresh vinyl, and of course this bad boy. A lot of these have been going out, which have been, yeah, it's been super nice to see, man. You guys are supporting like mad with it. Let's hide some of these addresses. We've got Patrick from Australia. Fresh vinyl coming to you, sir. Thank you. All right, I need to get some boxes. That's what I need to do. That's goes 11. We really need to sort this place out. There's a lot going on. Not very safe either. But we ain't telling people that, are we? Clothes are getting dirty. You want it beaded, right?
Yeah.
Where are they? So dusty. I was supposed to show off this like new sample t-shirt as well. Looks kind of sick, but anyway, we found the box.
Right here.
Right here, after all that.
You can put that on there.
Oh, boss.
That's me.
Oh shit, she's here. Collection here. We're not ready. We have to do it. Ask her. Ask her. She'll wait. Ask her. Come on, we need him out. Ask her, please. I just busted my gut to get this, man. This is how professional we are at RA. Late every time the collection comes open. This is a hazard down there, man. Alright. Look how fresh these boxes are. Sick. Pickup is here. Need to get these out. Quick time. Shout out to the courier drivers. Always on time. Always on time. Oh, you. We keep it legit, people. We do giveaways, and we actually send giveaways out, and I actually sign them with this kind of Sharpie. We get that done now. CC from Philippines and Gildan's from America, you say?
Yes.
Alright, the giveaway ropes are coming to you soon. Hopefully you can read this, Carlos. I'll do a bit of Spanish for you. Right, I was meant to give you guys a outfit check and just show you what this t-shirt is going to look like. So unfortunately it's all messy now. I was trying to get all the boxes down. It's all dirty. But this is the kind of fit we're going for now, peeps. Oversized but kind of structured. And we're going to get logos, prints, really cool designs for you on the website and we're going to offer hopefully customization as well. So if you want to do something cool, print your name, print your club name or your gym name or your class name, and then you've got the RA logo with it or whatever it is. But you know, if you're going to the gym and you've got a bit of gains, especially for the mandems out there, even for the girldems, but we have got extra small for the ladies and small sizes, and it will look cool with your gym gear as well. So you can kind of roll it up, wear it with joggers, also wear it with jeans on a night out. Looks kind of cool. I've been rocking them a little bit here and there. But yeah, I like it. These are gonna come in a few colorways along with the hoodie as well. So I'm excited for the new apparel that's gonna drop. A little bit different to what we have been kind of offering and putting out there in the world, but the designs are gonna be the really cool aspect, because we'll be able to kind of churn out some really sick designs for you. And yeah, man, make the world of skipping a lot more cooler like we do. All right, people, it is 10 p.m. right now. Super nice and peaceful here. Just working on a late night edit. Been doing this for the last couple of hours. Can't even talk. Last couple of hours or so on the Lauren Jumps tutorial on the Texan turn. Kind of clean. I'm happy with it. Yeah, this would generally take me about 2 or 3 hours to chop up all the footage, get it all in order, color grade. And then, yeah, we're getting it up late as always. Did a lot of stockroom management and clean up before. Had to get some ropes down as we have a lot of orders coming out right now. This is a really good tutorial, and yeah, this vlog will be getting out after this, so it's live, so go check it out. It's really cool. Otherwise, 10 o'clock, another hour or so, I'm gonna be heading off home. But yeah, I think I'm gonna close out the vlog here. So hopefully you've enjoyed the behind the scenes of what's been happening the last few days. This routine needs to change. Late nights at the HQ, I love it to bits. But I need to get routine in my life. I also need to get time to get back into the gym. I've been really slacking. So I've got a little plan in motion, man. I think I'm gonna start to do a bit more of a gym series, get back into serious shape, and I'm gonna get more people on the channel to share some proper fitness, lifting, skipping. We're gonna merge the two worlds properly together. Serious question, guys, okay? I know this is gonna sound like a crazy one, but do you wanna see more vlogs without my sunglasses? I think it might be time to retire them, just for the vlogs, all right? For the tutorials, they may need to stay. But yeah, I shared the story behind the sunglasses on the podcast. That's coming next week. So stick around to hear the full story of what the sunglasses were about, if you don't know already, okay? So I've done, you know, a few little things on Insta. I've talked about them a bit here and there on the channel, but we went into it a little bit on the podcast. But what do you guys think, man? Do you wanna see them gone from the vlogs? Again, with the tutorials, we'll see. But yeah, it's a big question. But anyway, I'm rambling on. I think I need to finish this, get this up, just go sleep. That's what I need to do. Peeps, hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a nice thumbs up, and drop me a comment. Let me know if you're still feeling these vlogs, and I will get more done for you, man. I promise you, right? So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.